Seed Savers! I'm Bonnie from Circle City Seeds, and today I'm going to show you how to save spiderwort seeds. Spiderwort is a native plant here in Indiana, as well as a large portion of the eastern United States, that blooms in early summer. One of my favorite things about this perennial plant is that it will grow in sun, part shade, as well as shady spots. Spiderwort comes in a range of colors. The most common color is blue, but they can also be purple, dark red, and white. The flowers themselves are only open for about a day. However, each stalk has multiple flower heads. Like hosta plants, spiderwort is usually propagated by splitting up chunks of the plant grouping and planting them somewhere else. But if you want to, you can save the seeds and grow your own. If you're worried about the seeds escaping, you can put a tool bag over the flower heads once they've closed. To collect the seeds, you want to wait until the flower heads have dried up, turned brown, and are nice and crunchy. Each one of the seed pods can have between 6 to 12 seeds in them. The seeds themselves are a little unusual looking. They're smaller than a grain of rice, gray in color, and kind of look like a stone belly button or eyeball. Since the spiderwort is a perennial plant, the seeds will need to go through a process called cold stratification before you plant them. This is a process that simulates winter conditions. I have a video on the cold stratification process if you want to learn more. If you would like to purchase some of the seeds I've collected here today, you can do so in my Etsy shop or on my website, circlecityseed.com. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to learn more about saving all different types of seeds, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what seed saving video you would like to see next. Happy seed saving!